Mayday holiday is for going out and having fun. You definitely need to have this at home. Automatic feeder. It has a large capacity. Filling it once is enough to feed a parrot for a month. Unlike the previous ones with a large feeding port. Birds fling food and waste it while eating. This sentence seems unclear, please clarify or verify. The surrounding baffle prevents husks from scattering. The tray catches all the leftover husks and residue. No more daily cleaning of scattered debris. If you're still using an ordinary food container, it's time to switch.